Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Qmmp packages is not available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it via apt-ppa method by importing and installing the ppa as shown. Execute an apt-update to reflect the newly imported ppa. Now install the application. Or you can go to your graphical shell and Qmmp by the icon. That's it. If you have any question, please leave in the comments.